If Twitch shows an error when starting your broadcast, follow these steps to fix it and go live. First, open Twitch and go to Creator Dashboards, then Settings, then Stream. Copy your stream key and paste it again into your streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs. An outdated or incorrect key will cause a broadcast start error. Next, check your stream settings in your streaming software. Set the server to auto or the closest region to your location. Make sure your bitrate and resolution match Twitch recommended settings, since unsupported values can block the broadcast. After updating these settings, restart your streaming software and starting the broadcast again. If the error continues, disable any VPN or firewall temporarily and test once more. As a last step, check Twitch service status or contact Twitch support with the exact error message. That's how to fix a Twitch error when starting a broadcast.